Hello guys, let me show you how to model this framework by using the framework tool, and how to weld them together by using the weld tool. So let's start by from the beginning by creating an assembly, and it's creating a skeleton structure, activating this skeleton structure. Maybe just hide these planes for the assembly, and sketch on the top plane, sketching a line and the dimensions 2 meters and 4 meters for the whole beam. And by creating a plane with the distance 2 meters, I will sketch the legs, or the other beams, 500 and 1.5 meters. Yes, it was like that, right? Yeah. No, 2 meters. The whole part should be 2 meters. And then by using the mirror, I mirror it, and the other beam should be there. Now we go to the assembly, framework, create a new project, 3 beams welding, creating a new profile, going to millimeters. I-beams, IPE 400 was the main beam. The dimensions are here. And then you go next, choosing this. Now we should rotate it 90 degrees, and I guess it looks correct. Okay. Now for the other parts, we choose it was like HEA or HEA 260. HEA 260. Yeah. And next, choose this. We rotate it, and the positioning should be right. So, yeah. And then repeat the process. This one, rotate it and position it correctly. Yeah. And now we are done with the framework. Easy peasy. It was so fast. Let me just hide the planes and hide the sketches. Now I'm going to weld the beams together by going to applications, welding, fillet weld, and by side 1 I'm going to choose this one and this one by holding the control key. No. Yes. Now side 2 I'm going to choose everything on this beam. Holding control. Sorry. and the throat or the A dimension should be 8 millimeters. And now it's a surface. It should be a solid, and it should be convex. And the material can be defined later. Yeah, looks fine to me. This is how you use framework and welding tools. Stick around, and in the next video I'm going to put some loads in the middle and simulate how the structure is affected. So watch the part 2, and like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.